Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Dave's Kitchens. Today it's going to be a product review. It's unbiased, unrehearsed, 100% real. What that means is I am not being paid to promote this product. So right now I'm going to show you what it is. It's from a company called SONDIKO. It's a torch, a cooking torch is really what it is. There are other brands out there. I can't think of the real popular ones off the top of my head. So I'm going to open this box. I know nothing about this product and kind of go from there. Now, it came in a box like this. It does not come with the propane. You have to get that on your own. So I just picked up a small 1 pound bottle of propane here. But let's go ahead and open this box up. Now, when I open the box up, it kind of gives you a little attention thing on how to, looks like use the product. Then it has a label, says attention, talks about what to do in the event of troubleshooting. Comes in a foam little carrier, kind of looks like so. Kind of looks like a little gun to me, you know. So let's pull this thing out. Looks like a little gun, man. Woo! Like to see the bullets on that, right? Boom! Probably knock you on your you know what. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is let's take a look. I'm gonna unscrew this little safety cap over here on the 1 pound container. We're going to hook up this and see what this looks like. Okay, so I'm screwing it in here. All right, nice and tight. Move it up to the side. Again, I have no idea what to do other than I know that sounds like a little trigger here. Let's open the valve here. I can hear it coming out, but I got no flame. Interesting. So let's take a look and see what it says again. It says if this won't ignite, no spark. The wires are misaligned and need to be aligned in the correct position. Well, I would have thought that should have been like that from the minute that I opened the box. Now I am seeing spark. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera there. So I am seeing spark. I don't know why it's not igniting. Oh, there we go. Maybe I had it open too far. All right, that's putting out some flame, and that's not even open that much at all. Let's see. Oh! Woo. Now that's one heck of a flamethrower. And you can adjust it down and so on. I'm sure you guys can see the vapors coming off. This thing is a flamethrower by all means. And then to turn it off, we're just going to turn it off again. Okay. So I think on the first time when I first kind of put it up, I opened it up too much. So there was too much gas flow. So I'm going to try it again. Let's go ahead and open it the way I had it. I'm going to open it about a quarter of the way. And you get a small flame. Okay. That makes sense. Let's try this again. So I have it all the way off. And what I'm doing is this little arrow right here is pointing towards me, okay? I'm going to take this little arrow, point it towards the front. Okay, there we go. And we're going to light it up. And that will give me the standard light. Now, let's try something here. I'm going to take it from the arrow pointing towards me. And instead of the arrow pointing straight forward, I'm going to put the arrow off to the left. So let's see what happens. There's half a turn. And now I have 3/4 of a turn. And that also seems to work. But man, when I open that baby up. Woo, that's one heck of a flamethrower right there. Man. Alright, well the next step is I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out to my grill. I got my Traeger running. And I'm going to go ahead and do some pizzas today. So just got some, basic mushroom and truffle pizza. Picked up at Costco. I'm going to put that into the grill, but I'm going to use this to light the pellets off to the side for what would normally be called a coal smoker. So I'm going to go ahead and use a pellet tray to go ahead and add extra smoke to my pizza, and I'm going to use this to light those pellets. All right, guys, so right now the grill is on. It's registering on my digital thermometer here, 316 degrees. So let's go ahead and open this up. I got the pizzas off to the side. But again, I want to use this little flamethrower here to light up these pellets right here. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and light it up. Now, we're gonna see how this baby goes. Woo, that thing's hot. Man, you can see the red heat on that thing. Wow. And I'm gonna pull back from it. I'm gonna turn it down. And look, that's all the way. That's all the way up. Really, really loud. Look at the glow on that thing. Wow. That thing is hot. Okay? And it's still flaming away. Yeah, definitely you can start your pellets with that, and you can definitely start a fire. I mean, I think this would be great to use for camping. If you're gonna start a whole bunch of like firewood. But wow, that thing gets hot. It gets hot fast, man. Woo! If you got a charcoal grill, which I don't have, I have the pellet grill. But if you got a charcoal grill, guys, this would be something amazing to use on a charcoal grill. All right, guys. Well, there you go. That was crazy, right? This thing's actually kind of cool. I like it. I don't have any logs to test out right now. Otherwise, I would test one out, and then I would also probably want to test one out when it's wet to see what this baby can do. Because I guarantee you, it would probably have no problem lighting that thing. I do recommend it for barbecue guys. I recommend it for those that go camping because this would definitely light your fire pit up. No problems. Barbecue guys, for charcoal grills, this thing would have that charcoal grill up and running in no time. But what I also thought about is for construction guys that needed, like a little torch to heat something up when they're working around pipes or soldering and stuff. This would work. And they say that you can use this with what they call it, nap gas or map gas. I don't know which one it is, but you kind of get the point. That's even a hotter gas. Man, I wouldn't want to know how hot this baby can produce some heat. I do like, again, I like the fact that it kind of looks like a little pistol. Definitely attracts us guys, but there's women out there that love pistols too. Kind of cool little toy. If you want to call it that. Definitely, I would recommend it. It seems pretty cool, and I like it. Crazy Dave, I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up here. Again, it's an amazing product. Unbiased review. Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.